A Florida grandmother has been convicted of murder in the shooting death of her daughter's ex-husband, a killing that was carried out by hired hitmen amid a bitter divorce and custody battle more than 11 years ago. Jurors found Donna Adelson guilty of murder, solicitation to commit first-degree murder, and conspiracy in the death of Daniel Markel, a Florida State University law professor gunned down in his Tallahassee driveway on July 18, 2014. Adelson, 75, cried out as the first guilty verdict was read and broke down in tears as the others followed. She continued sobbing as Markel's parents addressed the court, demanding the harshest punishment for the woman who had orchestrated their son's death. Markel's father, Phil, looked directly at Adelson and wished her a long life behind bars. He told her to think every day about the pain she had caused before asking a simple question: was it worth it? His wife, Ruth, told the court that Adelson blames others for her family's so-called curse, but insisted that Adelson herself is the curse. Donna Adelson, the matriarch of an affluent South Florida family, was accused of masterminding the plot that ended with her son-in-law's murder. Prosecutors said she wanted Markel dead after his divorce from her daughter, Wendi, and during their custody battle over 2 young children. Markel's refusal to allow his ex-wife to relocate with the children to South Florida stood in the way of Adelson's wishes. She enlisted her son, Charles, to help arrange the killing. Charles Adelson is already serving a life sentence, as are his former girlfriend Catherine Magbanua and one of the gunmen, Sigfredo Garcia. The second shooter, Luis Rivera, received a lighter sentence in exchange for testifying. The verdict against Donna Adelson came after a 12-day trial. Jurors deliberated only a few hours before reaching their decision. Prosecutor Georgia Kappelman admitted there was no smoking gun linking Adelson directly to the crime but told jurors that her calculated steps should not allow her to escape justice. Adelson's attorney, Jackie Fulford, argued that prosecutors had failed to present hard evidence and insisted her client was innocent, saying that spiteful words do not prove murderous intent. After the verdict, Ruth Markel described the past 11 years as a life of unimaginable heartbreak. She spoke of her son as a devoted father and scholar, stolen from his children and family in a senseless act of violence. She accused Adelson of plotting and paying for a killing motivated only by convenience, so she could be closer to her grandchildren. Her husband, Phil, spoke of the irreparable harm done to every life touched by the crime. Donna Adelson faces up to life in prison. Judge Stephen Everett has not yet scheduled her sentencing, but a case management hearing is set for October 14.